Namaste, I am Shiva Swati and I am making this video to explain that the new age is coming and we can expect a lot of destruction through nature in the future years till 2025 and 2029, and this is not a time for war. War should be completely prohibited at these times. If there is a conflict arising, you can negotiate, you can go through logical arguments in the UNO, in United Nations and International Trade Forum. There is no need to use primitive man's techniques of using bullets and fighting and murdering each other and killing your conscience. The trauma of soldiers is immense. Soldiers go through a lot of trauma when they kill, and when they die, their families go through a lot of trauma, and there is no reason to make them go through this trauma because a little ego is hurt here and there. So this is not a time for war. You should save your resources. You should ask the government to save resources than instigate for war. Then ask the government whether a befitting reply was given, or whether we have paid back the death of our soldiers. I mean, all these things should not be even spoken. These are childish comments. I mean, children talk like this that मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा तो मैं भी थप्पड़ मारूंगा वापस. ये तरीका नहीं होता है. If there have been deaths, you can ask for compensation. Why do you want to kill? You can ask for financial compensation. That is the way to negotiate in the new age, in the coming age, in the modern age. We are not primitive people that we need bullets and weapons to kill. This is very crude behavior, and people who are asking for a befitting reply from the government are actually sinning. They are actually asking for murders and for murdering other people to save ego, and this is extremely wrong, immature, childish behavior. It should not be indulged in. This is not a time for war. This is a time for peace. If at this time war happens, there can be more destruction than ever in human history. The whole of humanity can be erased because a nuclear war can happen. And simply for a few ego matters, it is definitely not worth to engage in. This is a time when humanity can be saved if the government makes the necessary changes in the education system, in the health system, in the marriage system, in the schooling system, in the religion system. When all this can become truthful than competitive, when competition can be released, can be removed from all these systems, humanity can come together as one world, and we can all live together in different religions, in different states, but not with this competition between us. Competition is like making God a brand. Like, your shirt is better than mine, so your God is better than mine. It definitely should not be the way to speak. And if you instigate war at this time, you will incur karma, which is very bad, which will be very harmful for you yourself. I mean, it can take another billion years for this karma to heal. As old souls, I was there in Mars also when the civilization ended. You may not believe in past lives, but I lived through it, and I know the suffering which I have gone through over lifetimes because there was a nuclear war. So I'm not asking you to believe about Mars that there was a civilization. I'm only asking that be reasonable and do not ask for a war right now. It is extremely harmful. Resources are needed to help people, not to kill people. You don't pay tax to be killed or to pay, ask soldiers to kill. You don't pay tax. You don't pay the soldiers because you want them to die. You pay tax your tax money to soldiers because you want them to protect you. But that does not mean that you ask them to kill themselves because somebody has hurt your ego. These are small matters. It is not something that children are being harmed, or your women are being harmed, or your property, people are coming in your cities and looting your properties. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. सिंपली ये थोड़ी सी प्रॉपर्टी है, LOC है. दिस इज अ नेगोशिएबल मैटर. ये UN में भी रिजॉल्व हो सकता है. इसके लिए लोगों को मरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, और वैसे भी लोगों को मरने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. दुनिया को एक करना चाहिए. इंटरनेट एज में, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में माइग्रेशन की इतनी ज़रूरत है. उस टाइम पे कंपटीशन करके एक दूसरे का गला काटना बहुत गलत है. इट इज़ नॉट सर्विंग गॉड, इट इज़ हार्मिंग गॉड. सो प्लीज़ बी conscious when you instigate the government, when you instigate your people to war. Please be conscious कि the bad karma will fall on you for creating a war which destroyed humanity, and you will may it is something that you will have to restore. You will have to restore the suffering of so many people by giving them positive energy and sacrifice your lifetimes for so long if you indulge in war or a nuclear weapon. It is not a joke. It is not a cricket game. This is a war. It is not a cricket game. So don't instigate and don't say count deaths. Don't count the death of soldier and don't instigate wars. Just let it be. Negotiate. It's already been negotiated. A consensus has been reached. People have stopped the war. Now don't instigate and restart it all over again. Let it be and appreciate the government for not having a war. Thank you.